Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get verified on Snapchat. Whether you just want to verify your email, phone number, date of birth, or even getting the verified badge right here on your profile or public profile, I got you covered. Okay, first up, for your email, phone number, and date of birth. Okay, tap on your Bitmoji, tap on the gear icon in here. Now tap on your birth date, select the birth date, and just follow the simple prompts. And then once that's done, go back, add in your email. Once you've added your email, as you can see here, mine is already verified. So type down your email, hit on send, and it will just need a verification code. Okay, it could be via email or the email that you just currently used. Type down the code, and once done, your email will be verified. Now go back. In here, as you can see, my phone number is not verified yet. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on it. And my phone number will be automatically added. If not, just go ahead and type down your phone number and just tap on verify. Once done, as you can see here, it will need my verification code. So I'm just going to go ahead and wait for it. There you go. My verification code automatically added. So what I'm going to do is just check if my phone number right here is updated. So as you can see here, it says phone number updated. Once that's done, you're good to go. Now, going back, if you need the verification or the verified icon besides your profile name, you must be an authentic and notable public figure or registered business with a complete, active, and high engagement public profile. Okay? Again, your account must represent a real person, entity, or registered business. Also, your account's content and presence must be broadly known and culturally relevant. Okay, just basically post regularly, post a high quality content to stories and spotlights to build an audience and increase engagement. Now, once you have that criteria, you can now then go ahead and go back, tap on your Bitmoji, tap on the gear icon, and then here just scroll down a bit until you find the support section. Okay, right here, support and feedback help center. Just tap on it and just type down Snapstar. Hit on search, and then once it loads, tap on how do I become a Snapstar. Tap on it and scroll down a bit, and you should be able to find a form or this hyperlink that says form. Okay, now as you can see here, it says if you're a creator or public figure, becoming a Snapstar is the way to get verified on Snapchat. Okay, to submit an application, just tap on this form. Now in here, all you need to do, again, as I've said earlier, get a public profile and verify your email. So just scroll down and type down your username, legal name, professional name, which is optional, but if you want to, you can go ahead and add it in. And then you, of course, email, your CC email, which is optional, the country, content category right here. You have activist, actor, artist, just find which is applicable. Okay. Subcategory, you have that option as well. Social media links, you can go ahead and add in your Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or other relevant URLs. And then just scroll all the way down. It says here, tell us why you wanted to be a Snapstar. Okay, so just type down the reasons why you wanted to get verified and be a Snapstar. And then just scroll down. Okay, this section right here is if you're not the owner of the Snapchat account. Okay, so just scroll down and then just tap on submit. Snapchat will review your application based on their criteria. The process may take several weeks, so just basically wait on the email. Okay, check your email, the email that is tied to this application, or you can go ahead and go back to your profile and you should be able to see that you are now verified. Okay, now if your application is denied, you can reapply after a period of time, provided you continue to build your presence and maintain quality content. That is it. That is how you get verified on Snapchat. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.